Alright, so today we're gonna do the true stealth analysis. So first thing we gotta do is go to grc.com, and then from there we go to services, shields up, proceed, and then from here we do common ports. Now we let it do its test. See my IP address, and I failed. So if we look at this, it says my ping reply failed, but we know from reading this, it's a common failure on true stealth. So it's not detrimental to what I'm doing or to my computer. It just means it's easier for a hacker to tell your computer network exists, but it doesn't mean you can break in. So other than that, I passed with flying colors. Everything else, stealth, 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 stealth. It's only the ping reply that I failed. And so this is my video on true stealth analysis for CISC 150, Professor Henry Beaver. Thank you.